Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, All Our Opulence. I appreciate you guys for joining me today. Today I got another super quick review for you guys. As you can see, it says Gucci in the front. But before we get straight into the unboxing slash review, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, punch that like button, and comment in the section below. So thank you so much for doing that. So without further ado, I'm gonna get straight into this review slash unboxing. I don't know if I can call it an unboxing anymore, because like I said earlier, I've had this in my collection for a good 3 years or so. I just wanted to, give you guys a feedback and what my experience has been with this particular item. So this is a Gucci belt. Okay, let me bring it out so you guys can see. It's got a dust bag in white and with the Gucci in front of it right there. Okay, and it's a very, very nice silky dust bag. All right, there we go. I'm going to take it out right here. All right, okay, that is it right there. It is a silver Gucci interlocking belt right there. Okay, so it is a black calf leather. As you can see, it's got a decent amount of wear and tear because I've had this in my collection for a while and I do wear it a decent amount. So this in sizing for me, it's got the details right here. In this particular one, I did get it in a 90, but usually I always like to wear a 95. There's a Gucci right there and the sizing details and stuff. If we can see that very well, I'm not too sure. But what I can say though is the G itself, the hardware, oh my goodness, it is so nice. I didn't have any, even though I wear a lot, there's no scuffs or anything right there. It's scuff resistant. It is very, very nice. The quality is very, very good. Okay, I haven't seen any big scuff or anything on there. It's very, very durable and very, very nice. All right, and this is in a black calf leather. So I'm gonna put it on for you guys so you can see exactly what it looks like. All right, that is it right there for you guys. You can see the G right there, the interlocking G in black calf leather, and the leather is very, very durable. I can tell you for sure, because like I said, I've had it for a while in my collection, and the leather is really, really good and very, very durable. Gucci website is there. It's one of their classics that they always have. There you have it. You see what it looks like on the waist, and that is the interlocking G again. Okay, and that's about it. But I suggest if you want to get it, if you're a size 32, you should get it in a 95, but I did get it in a 90, but just because I wanted it to be slightly shorter, when I tried it on over there, I don't know, for some reason, because it's like when you put it in the waist belt, it actually comes out on the front. So I kind of liked the way the size 90 is. So, but I suggest you get it in 95, but it depends on your preference as well. Okay, so guys, that is all I have for you on the Gucci interlocking G belt. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really, really appreciate it. And if you're new here, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you slap that like button and comment in the section below. Let me know what you think about this Gucci interlocking G belt. If you like it, if you don't. And yeah, that's about it. You guys have a wonderful day. All the opulence out.